Bro, the crazy thing is you probably don't even realize that you're literally less than 1 month away from starting to make money online if you just do things the right way. And in this video, I'm not gonna try to sell you some crazy dream on like, yeah, you're gonna become a millionaire in the next 60 days or any of that BS. I just wanna give you some straight facts of exactly how I went from being completely broke, having 500 bucks to my name, to making my first 10K per month online without starting my own business, without doing some meme coin or some crypto thing or drop shipping, affiliate marketing, any of those things that you heard about online. I did this by learning one fundamental skill and taking advantage of a very specific industry that's growing extremely quickly right now. And it's not only me, there's also multiple other guys that I've helped literally go from being a complete beginner, having struggled with making money online for a long time, to getting to their first 5-10K a month in literally 1 to 2 months. And this is kind of unheard of in this online business industry, and that's why I'm making this video as well, because I want to give you the fastest path to actually get there. Because I know it's really hard, I know it's really confusing in the online business space. There's so many different opportunities, so many different things you could be doing. And there's a reason why you haven't figured it out yet. There's a reason why you haven't gone to your first 10K a month, and it's very, very simple. And basically what it is that you're probably looking at online business, you're probably looking at entrepreneurship the wrong way right now. And here's what I mean by that. Because how most people do it, how most people think about online business and how I used to do it, is like you think about it like this thing is like, okay, I'm gonna find a business that is going to make me rich. If I find the right business model and it's like grind it out long enough, I'm gonna get rich. The issue with that mindset is a couple of different things, but like the biggest thing is like you're just looking at it from a perspective that's gonna keep you broke. Because if you get into SMA, for example, you get into drop shipping or wherever you get into, TikTok shop, there's a lot of different things out there. And you start a business as a beginner without a lot of business experience, you are getting yourself into something where you are going to have to master, get good at multiple different skills. We're talking like learning sales, learning how to close people, objection handling, learning copywriting, learning how to actually like run ads in most cases, maybe learning how to make content, learning how to actually eventually lead a team, how to manage clients, how to do billing, how to do leadership, how to like all these different skills are things that you're gonna have to learn in order for you to get to 10K a month in those businesses. And that's why I was stuck for a long time, because like as a 19-year-old, I was trying to like make money online with no experience, and I was trying to like max out all these different stats, get good at sales, get good at marketing, get good at fulfillment, all these different things at the same time. And obviously that's hard, it's trying to like master 3 different languages at the same time. Obviously it's gonna be way harder to master 3 different things or 4 different things versus like mastering one thing. It's almost like if you put your mental bandwidth and your mental energy into 4 different things, you put like 25% into each and every different thing. Obviously it's gonna take longer, it's gonna be hard to get good at it, because to actually win big with an agency, you need to be good. You need to be like 8, 9, 10 out of 10 on all these different stats. And that's as simply, it's gonna take a lot of time. And the reason why most people fail and most people get stuck is because it takes them so long that they convince themselves that like, I am not meant to be an entrepreneur. They run out of money or whatever, and they just quit it. So the way to make it happen, the way to get to 10K a month quickly and also set yourself up for long-term success, and the thing that I've done for the last 3 years that's made me multiple 6 figures, is by focusing on learning the most fundamental skill in business and then applying that in the industry where I've been able to make the most amount of commissions and have the most amount of freedom. Because if you can have like the ideal position, you want to be able to like learn a good skill that's going to be valuable for the rest of your life. You want to be able to make good money while doing so. You want to be able to not have to like cold call, go knock doors and all that stuff. You want to be able to work from anywhere, set your own hours, And that's exactly what I've been doing. And the way that I've done this is by learning sales, getting really good at sales, and then applying that skill set in the industry of working with online influencers. Working with people that you might call them like course sellers, you have marketing agencies, consulting businesses, basically it's companies that sell education or consulting online. That's the type of people I partner up with. And then I basically just do the entire sales part of their business for them. So the only thing I do is basically take sales calls. Think about it for yourself when you get ads on like your Instagram or like your YouTube or your Facebook newsfeed, and you apply to get more information about like a dropshipping course or whatever it is. You have someone that calls you, is going to answer your questions and basically talk to you more about the program, and then basically take payment and enroll you into the program. That's what I do. So I partner up with these big names in the industry, take calls for them. And then when I do that, when I basically help people get into the program and I sell people into the program, I reply to some questions, walk them through the program and all that stuff, and then I get paid a commission for doing that, which is usually ranging anywhere from between $300 up to, in some cases, 1.5 to 2K per call that I take. And that's just what I do. That's how I make multiple six figures now at 22 years old, by just taking calls for the businesses. And it's so simple. That's the biggest thing I want to help you see here, is that by doing this, you're focusing on one skill. You get good at sales and you find one influencer to sell for. You don't need to have like 5 different businesses or like 5 different companies or clients that you're working for. Your skill set needs to be good, and you need to have one good client to work for. And that's why this is so simple to succeed with. Like your path to success, it's not easy, but it's simple. And that's the biggest reason why most people are stuck, is like their path to success, they don't know what they're doing. You know, they're stuck because they don't know what they need to focus on to get to the next level. But if you get into remote high ticket sales, the path to success is simple, because like literally the only thing you need to do is just get better at sales or find a better client to work for. That's it. If you just get those two things in place, you will get 10K a month very, very quickly. I work with guys that have no sales experience, have failed with multiple different businesses. They come into my one-on-one coaching program, my Inner Circle, and I help them literally go from never having done this before to landing a role in 2 weeks, and now making 5K a month moving forward. So that's just like, just goes to show you like how extremely quickly you can make money with this industry. And then not only that, but you also need to understand that like when you're doing this, you're setting yourself up for your long-term goals as well. If your long-term goal is to become a millionaire, run your own business, make a lot of money, learning sales and getting the connections that you will get in this industry is setting yourself up to achieve that as well. For me, I know that I will never go broke ever again, because I've learned the skills that I've gotten good at sales, and I've gotten connections in the space of working with 7-8 figure businesses. So like I know that I'm valuable to business owners because I know the skills that I've gotten really good at sales, and I've worked inside of these businesses. I got my name out there and things like that with these high level business owners. So no matter what happens, no matter if like a company shuts down, or if the economy changes or wherever it is, if I get fired, whatever it is, I will always be fine, because I know how to solve the most fundamental and the most important skill or the most important problem in these high level businesses, which is sales. Because sales is how these companies make money. You know, that's how any company makes money. And if you learn to solve that problem, you're never gonna have to go broke ever again in your entire life. And that's what creates true internal certainty and true peace. When you're no longer like dependent on, okay, I need this business to work out, I need this meme coin to work out, whatever it is, you know, like I know that's stupid shit, you know, where you're dependent on something external for you to actually like make money. And instead you have something inside of you, something that you've developed and no one can take away from you, that makes it so that you know that you can always be fine, you can always make money, because you have this one thing that you developed inside of you. That's true peace, and that's what I wanted to develop as well. So stop having this idea of like, I'm gonna make money online, I'm gonna like grind it out, because you might succeed with it eventually, but there's gonna be a lot of time that's gonna go past when you're trying to make money online in like these different businesses, SMA, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing, and all that stuff, copywriting, where you're staying stuck, you're not seeing any progress, and you're losing money, and you're like losing time, and all these different things, and it's just taking so long. Whereas during that time, you could literally have been making 5 to 10K a month, doing sales, working for a business, getting connections that will then literally get you to the end goal even faster. Like, do you get what I'm getting? Do you get what I'm like where I'm going here? Like, you're literally able to get to the same outcome that you will get if you just grind with your own business right now, faster, and make money while doing so, because you're focusing on the skill and you're working for a business and you're getting paid to learn. That's actually what I've been doing. That's why I love this industry, because like doing remote sales, you're getting paid to learn the most fundamental skill. You're working for a business, you're doing sales calls for them, you're getting connections, you're getting mentored by high-level business owners, and you're getting paid while doing so, setting yourself up for your long-term goals. So that's what I did, and that's the fastest path to 10K a month. Learn the skill, get into the most, and like the fastest growing industry right now. We can have the most freedom, we can make the biggest commissions and all those different things. And if you want help from me, you want to like learn the skill, get coaching from me specifically, and also get connected with businesses and like get my help to really go from 0 to your first 10K a month in remote sales, you can apply for my one-on-one coaching, my Inner Circle. I'm pretty selective with who I work with, but we can book a call if you want to, and we'll chat. It's not going to be a high pressure sales call whatsoever. It's like a chill conversation, see if you're a good fit, see if I can help you out. And if that's the case, if you want help with that potentially, click the link down below, book a call, we'll chat and see if it's a good fit. But that's it for the video. If you found this valuable, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you have any questions for like future videos and things like that. And if you have any questions for me directly, message me on Instagram and I'll reply to you in the DMs over there. But that's it for the video. If you find this valuable, let me know and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow as always in the next video. Take care. Ciao.